Kiss ka pa. Good morning. Good morning, sister. Good morning. Gising na. Katukin natin, kuya. Gising na. Oh, hindi na. Hindi ako naligo. Good morning, kuya. Good morning, kuya. Gising na. Aalis tayo.
Maaga pa.
Oy, ano maaga pa? 7:30 na. 8 ang alis natin.
Saan hotel?
Uy, hindi bukas ng zoo, 8. Pero kahit mga 9-10 na tayo nando. Kasi kakain pa tayo ng breakfast. Gising na, kuya. Kuya JP.
Ang lamig talaga na yan.
Oh, nilalamig ka? Nag-jacket nga ako kagabi. Kasi ang lamig.
Kung nagalo ako, pumapasok ko lang. Sana.
Gising na. Nagising ako 5 a.m. Tapos di na ako natulog. Gising na, ready na. Enzo, anong suotin ni Kuya Enzo? Ano, tsinelas? Ano suotin? Nasaan yung damit mo?
Damit?
Oo, damit. Saan damit? Oo. Gisingin natin si nanay, saka si papa. Tara. Punta tayo din. Oh, gising na? Oh, tara, tingnan natin. Gisingin natin. Tama.
Umawa ka na.
Si binubuksan. Ay, good morning, mama. Saan si papa?
Sakyan.
Ano sasakyan na? Ang aga naman niya. Good morning, mama. Good morning. Good morning naman. Ganda-ganda ng aking mother. Oh, ang ganda-ganda ng mama namin. Nag-good morning ka na ba, Enzo?
Lawrence, good morning ka na ba? Good morning na.
Morning, papa.
Peter.
Gising na. Gising na ako ng 5 a.m. pa. Naglakad-lakad kami doon kanina. Oh, dun sa may dagat. Ah, nakasarap tulog mo pa? Ah, ikaw na, nasarapan kang tulog.
Ganda yung ano eh. No good.
No good, why?
No good? Why no good?
Very good.
Very good.
Oh, you look
So good.
My dad likes the bed and then they having sleep all day, all night.
Yeah, that's sleepy.
Yeah.
That's like me. I like to do it.
Yeah. Yan, Mogi. Are you ready? Okay. Yeah. Alright, Annie?
I'm good, Papa.
You good?
Yes.
Nagpa-plancha po siya ng dami. Ingat, baka maano sunog.
Saan ba ito dito? Silk?
Silk? Ano? Normal.
Oo, normal.
Hindi. Enzo!
Hi, Ashley.
Where are you going?
At that it.
Zoo. At the zoo. Ano nangyari? Akin na nga. Ako na.
Hindi, ito lang. Silk lang.
Silk lang. Pwede na. Sige na. Silk.
Pupusiguro niyo po kung
Nagpa-plancha po siya ng damit niya.
No, by me saying no at the auditions,
My mom and dad.
Oh, good. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Papa. Oh, good.
I thought you're gonna bless. Wala ako sa vlog.
Hello.
We're going to the zoo!
Yeah.
Sige na, suot ko na.
Lolo, sinin ko si Lolo Papa ko.
Oo, sige, mother.
Kaya binti eh.
We're going to the zoo.
Type C.
Type C? Sa akin, type C.
Yung pang ano mo sa guard. Para makuha ID.
Hindi, kailangan ko ba yun?
Oo.
Ah, car pass. Oh, continue mo yung vlog.
Okay lang yan, nak.
Mama!
Huwag mo na.
Pasok ka dito.
Kadugso.
Ha?
Pa! Pa!
Short.
Pa!
Yung sinabi sa
Keki! Uy, keki! Paik, ano, hindi? Ah, keki? Keki?
Hi, madam. Wow, ganda naman ni mama.
Keki?
Halika dito, ma. Tignan mo. Wow. Everyday maganda si mama.
Kaka?
Papa.
Kaka?
Personal driver namin si Papa.
Kuya.
Ano hinahanap? Sino hinahanap mo?
Kuya, video mo.
Hi!
Hi, pa. Say hi. Ay, no. Wow, Jordan. Nike ba yan? Ay, Nike. Nike. Flex na flex si pa mo.
Nike yan.
Hi, Kuya Pita.
Hello, Mary Cole. Good morning.
Good morning.
We're going to the zoo,
Yeah.
and then we're coming home to swim more.
Ah.
Have nice foods.
Yay! Papa, oh. Flex to flex ang Nike. Yung relo niya, oh. Oh, sing-sing.
Mukha.
Wait namin si ate. Ayan si mama.
Please,
Toto. Aba, ano mo?
Lorenzo.
Eat in the Jollibee first. Hello! 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 Hola! We are going
So, nandito po kami sa Jollibee. Kakain na kami bago kami pumunta sa Safari Zoo.
Ay, matutupad na ang kanyang gustong pagkain.
Chicken and spaghetti.
Tayo ay mag-order. Ano sa akin, te? Spicy chicken with spaghetti tapos fries. Wow, ano masasabi mo? Nakakain ka na naman. Wow, update sa jowa. Oh. Sana all. Uy, Tino, wala ka na sa pila. Going to the zoo. Zoo.
Take the next right.
Wow.
Turn right.
Balang iha.
Yung unggoy, ahas.
Oo. Uy pa.
Oh, paano yung unggoy? Oo,
Turn right.
Honey, how you say it, the monkey? Ooh. Ooh. See?
Alam ayaw
Kasound niya.
Inen.
600 meters.
Kaka.
Oo.
Inen ni Habib.
Oo, kakainin niya saging.
Oo. Nanas.
Ay, papakainin mo doon?
Yung tiger ang gusto ko, yung papakainin natin, tapos nasa loob tayo ng truck. Tapos papasok, aanin tayo ng tiger.
What? Ain ulo. Ain ulo.
Oo, kakainin ulo mo.
Asin.
Takap na.
Ate ulo.
Malaki to eh, yung zoo nila. Kailangan
So hey guys, nandito po kami sa Subic Safari Zoo. Tada! Nakuha lang kami ng ticket tapos sasakay kami sa truck. So makikita na namin yung mga animals katulad nito.
Ayun eh. Tapos ito din. Hello, Kuya Peter.
Hello.
Where's Monica?
She's getting the tickets.
Yes. We're gonna ticket. Where's Papa? What's going on there? What's happening? Guys, wake up. Ito, para makapag-park ka dito. Kasi dito tayo pupunta mamaya.
Dito muna tayo.
Yung kotse mo pa, ani ng Leon. Ani ng Leon yung kotse mo. Wala na yung ulo. Saan nakapark ka pa? Bag ko. Ay, oo nga pa nandyan. Hi guys! Papa. Mamaya bibili kami ng mga toys din, oh. Yun, mga chic. Tapos.
Hello.
Wow, naka-shades po si Kupan. Oh, naka-shades po. Ana, hala, artista, pa-picture po. Wow.
Mainit eh,
na.
bobo ka ba?
Sa akin meron na. Ganito. Guys, we are so big Safari. We also have swimming pool and hotel. And ganyan, mga cohesion. And then the entrance, the Subic Safari. Wow! Heaven! Dang. Namamaril siya, guys. Nasaan yung baril? Ito na, mabuhay. The lions, mabuhay. We also
Sangyup.
have some yupsa gubat. Wow! Yes po.
Ma'am, pero hindi po siya available ngayon, ma'am.
Oh.
May nagtago?
Nagtago.
Take off po ng mga tigers natin.
Wow, we also have souvenir shop.
Ma'am, pag ready na po kayo mag-start ng tour niyo, pasok lang po kayo dito sa souvenir shop.
This way.
Waiting side. Dito pa po nang papasok.
Subic Park. What's that?
Golden
Pheasant.
pheasant.
Golden pheasant. Hamel guinea fowl. Helmeted.
Where?
Helmeted guinea fowl. Over there.
Where?
Ay, video mo sila.
What's in this one?
Doon oh. Sila ati manik.
Oh, the black cockatoo.
Please
Yeah.
do not extend your hands.
Yeah, he's a big
Animals
one. Look
do
at him.
bite.
Yeah. He'll bite you. The black cockatoo. Yeah, Australia's got both these. Yeah, but I never seen them. Yeah, no, you have. You know why you never see him? Hello. He's flying.
Pangit, pangit!
And you know what?
Sa gubat, tao, ang dahuyan.
You know when you see them?
The rubbish in Australia.
You know when you
Really?
see
Okay.
it's gonna rain.
Ano pa?
Ang mga hayop na tao ay dapat ilagay sa kulungan.
So, ito. Tignan natin to guys.
Peafowl.
Indian people.
I would still eat him.
Oh, that's big. Look at that. And that's a lot.
What is that?
Yeah. Look at this.
Hello, Indian peafowl. Oh, he's big.
Oh. You heard that?
He's big. Philippines drops owl.
Just this. Philippines just all. Oh.
Commonly
It's like Pramani.
belong to the family of them.
Hello. Common in the Philippines. Oh.
Bird feet.
Taking a picture, guys. Bird feet and leg. Stop. Feed him here.
Don't feed him.
Please do not.
But they came here.
Because he will bite you.
Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at that.
Dito. Kasi nandito siya. Kuya, Ruhi, alis ka dyan. Pakuha, picture.
Tuyo, picture mo daw. What's that? Turtle. Look, see guys, turtle.
Look out. He's gonna get you.
Turtle. See? It's turtle. Why do I take a picture? Hmm? You need to take a picture.
Where are you going?
Pwede naman tayo mag-picture lahat pa.
Yes.
O sige na, kami muna. Pat, bago.
She's talking the bird.
Stay.
Stay.
Good bird, stay.
You know.
Oh, that's very loud.
1, 2, 3. Ito pa.
Ano sila guys? Ako to.
What are we gonna say?
Hello, Cookie.
O, lahat na tayo. Lahat na.
Come on.
Oh, look, he's looking at you.
Yeah, go out and then you want to.
No, the father knows you.
Oh, really?
The big one. Nah, he wouldn't. There's water there.
Yeah.
Yes, they got water.
It's drinking water.
Yeah.
I don't know what kind of chicken that. Chicken. It's India chicken.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
You got the egg, you know?
Oh, yeah, he's saying, stay away from me. Yeah,
You'll be able egg.
yeah.
What's that?
He's ugly. But is he ugly? No. No, angry. What's that one? What do you call him there? A lot of KFC in there, honey bunny.
Oh, KFC?
Adobos? Emu adobo.
Oh, don't come nearby. They will bite you. And so, huwag kang lumapit. Sige. Yun o, ulo niya, nahabot niya yan. Huwag kang lumapit na eh. Phone mo, naku, malunok niya.
Look at me. I said she look at me. I said look at me, look at me.
This one doesn't look like a friendly one. Look, they're all coming now.
Where's the water? Oh, over there.
Ati, oh, yan si Ani.
I think they eat the flies.
Yeah, it looks like
Looks like they're eating
Ano
flies.
yan? Imagination? Imagine.
like an imagination.
I think they're eating the flies.
Oh, nakikinig sa'yo, Peter.
Yeah, they're eating flies.
Hi! Hi!
Sabi.
Say hi to vlog! Say hi to vlog!
Hello. Hello, Wilbur.
Oh, nangiti ako. Nangiti siya.
Video ka na saan siya?
He looks happy there.
Here's the deer, honey.
You happy? Mamaya tokain mo ko.
The deer.
Oh, bye-bye.
They're eating the flies, I think, on Mozzie.
What's that?
That's deer.
Dia?
That's the deer, yeah.
But they can't get it.
No, they just don't
Ano
know.
yan?
Unless he's scratching his neck. He's scratching his neck. He's itchy.
It's our imagination.
Oh, imagine the scratches.
Medyo crazy ah.
But I wonder if they're gonna eat your hands.
Oh,
Yeah, they eating the flies. See, the flies coming
That's what I
there.
said. They eat the flies.
For them, maybe they're hungry.
But they must. They don't look skinny. They're not. They look fat.
Tignan mo siya. Kanina pa siya oh. Look at
Wonder how
it
much would they feed
high.
him?
Look at it
Maybe
high.
fruits. Maybe feed them fruits.
It's not moving. I think mother said
They-
they only do it on the.
Yeah, they got to put their food in there.
Look at it.
But honey, if they're skinny, look how fat he is. They're fat. They're not hungry. They'll feed them tonight. See all the puppies?
It's not monkey. It's a donkey. Not a monkey.
They're friendly. Look, they come.
They want the food. Get me an apple and carrots.
Bakit? Pwede nga ba po rin
I
kaya?
know where to feed them. Philippine, this is more deer.
Brown deer. But normally,
Wow.
experience mo magpakain ano? Pengi nga isa. Ang piraso lang.
Pag weekend and holidays lang po talaga kami nag-open.
Pwede nga ako din po. Tata, ikaw na din. Maping ako isa ma. Ah, turtle. Yay! Feed the turtle!
They're coming. They're coming.
Huwag niyo hawakan sa ulo daw.
Oo.
Ayan po yung babae yung pinakamali.
Kaya
Ganda mo yung video bro ah. Wala, laki nung isa.
80 years old na po yung iba dyan.
Oo nga.
it's okay, honey. Feed them.
Lawrence, umayos ka.
Hindi po, kung pag nakawakan na, tatanggalin mo na kamay mo. Kundi kakainin niya yung kamay mo.
Kumakain ka.
Yeah, pag kinain niya na, bitawan mo na. Bitawan mo na kamay mo.
Stand po nila, mahigit po na ilang kilo? 100 years po.
100 years.
Buhay po nila. Sana all nga po.
Lawrence, wag ka nang umano. Mamay maanomin kami me.
See, that's the water, honey bun.
Uy, nagmumura ka.
Yeah.
Maganda po sana man.
Oo nga, mamaya.
Nasa yung snake dyan?
Oh my gosh. That's scary.
Where's the snake?
Over there. Wait lang. Ang kiss mo.
Tigis pa ako eh.
Ah, the one that attacked.
He's only a baby.
The snake is snake.
Because they
Oh, look at
attacked.
this python.
Oh, scary.
Burmese python.
Paaso. And so,
They feed them the chickens, I think. Oh, yeah, the chickens. They feed them the chicken. They feed them the chicken.
takot siya. Madir! Hello, Madir! Oh my gosh, nakakatakot.
When Monica went to, honey, remember we went to the other zoo? Huh?
Yeah, oh yes.
And the big snake?
Oh yeah.
And they fed him 2
Ay,
chickens.
Sorot, Palawan.
In a
Remember
month.
Garfield, the big snake?
1 month.
In Palawan.
Ay, I don't
But
know.
the chickens have to be
Kumanala.
alive.
Ayan to, Zubik Safari. At sasakay kami doon sa truck na yan. Ayan.
Just sit, honey. We wait for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm just gonna look around. Yeah, me.
Oh, souvenir. Walang snake.
I'm just looking.
Hi.
So hey guys, nandito kami sa may Sufi. So nandito kami sa Wild Wizudam. You went, and so you go here? Hi, you go first. You go first on me. And Mama. Papa.
You're gonna see the tiger.
Kakagating na ako eh.
Mama, busy dyan ah. Madir.
Agis ka niyan.
Uwap po.
Ama, ay.
Good job to the gate.
Ano, they are big, honey. Look at them. They look healthy. They look healthy.
Wala, ayaw ko.
He's not hungry.
Ito meron to si Tom sa ano.
He's not hungry.
Sir, si Tom sa kabila.
Sleepies.
He's like us yesterday, honey. But
Yeah.
we're sleepy.
Jet lag.
Tayo.
Nah, he don't wanna. He doesn't want.
Wag nga, walis na kayo.
Nawalis na kayo. Hindi namin kayo kailangan. Dapat yung tiger.
At teka, ano, saka hindi pa tayo sa... Maubos yung ibang pato eh. Teka na. Jerry boy. Jerry!
Ayun yan. Ako'y natutulog. Huwag niyo mastorbohin.
I'm sick of eating chicken.
He wants beef? They eat beef?
Wants the cow.
Ah, the cow.
Lado eh.
His name is Tom. Tom! Come here, Tom!
Pagod na ako. Bala kayo dyan.
Mamaya na ako na tumayo.
Tom!
Sa kanya mismo ko.
Hindi, para maganda ulit.
Hindi pa doon kung ang hayop pagtanghali eh.
Tom.
The biggie oh, yung tiger.
Maganda ba yung video?
Liga.
They look like a toy, eh? But it looks big.
Lagi yung pag-ibig ito eh. Bago sa tayo lang. Malapit din po kayo dyan, sir. Picture
Ah, picturean daw kayo. Ano
Tiger po.
Basta tigers yan. So, baka ganun, dalawa. Nanay, look ka dyan, nay.
Kawawa.
So we are in garden. Si mama ganda oh. Next destination. Garden.
Halika na.
Lipad.
Hindi, iwan kang sumama dyan. Bahala ka dyan.
Wala na, bawal na. Where's the butterfly?
Yeah, that's fine.
They come in
Ay,
there.
wow.
See the fruit?
The food.
For the butterfly. Okay, you want to eat?